I think eventually the end goal, right? The end state, and I'm not talking about like making money or like building a business or whatever. The end state of this is having a real city, right? You have a real city. You have 10K designers down the street, and I think we spoke about this once, right? Like a long time ago. I think I remember calling and I'm like, to just have like your sessions in an apartment or like have people move into the apartment. That's exactly what Avalon's doing right now.
How do you think about, so of course you and I, we're in the similar field, right? Both of us are trying to reimagine education, right? For me, for people who don't know this, I was at Unacademy for about 2.5 years. We built live learning as a platform. The reason I enjoy doing live is also, dude, we were building tools for live, right? Unacademy, we were building tools for how do you make learning engaging for Unacademy Plus. So my question is, both of us were in a similar field. We're trying to make learning fun. What are your thoughts on, of course, we've talked a lot about how college, universities and all that. Do you see digital universities, digital campuses, digital cities as a part of this thing?
Yeah, eventually this will end up like, see, Avalon, the Discord, right? We called it a digital campus or a digital university. And I think it did its job, right? We proved with 50,000 users that, hey, this works. We proved it over 7 months that, hey, this is like something fantastic. People are getting jobs here. People are learning from each other here. And then obviously, you guys have also done it once. Team Tana has also done it. So it's a proven concept that you can take a community, you can help people learn in that community, you can help them scale, etc., etc. Now the thing is for us to prove that on our own platform, and if we can do that on our own platform, make the Discord experience simpler, I feel there's a huge opportunity for us. That was the question you asked, right?
Definitely, yeah. Because it helps me to think in terms of universities, campuses, and this thing. Because
City,
so
yeah.
even at 10K designers, one analogy we used in cohort 3 only, which is going on right now, was Zoom is the classroom. Like for us, Zoom is the classroom, Discord is the campus. No, Zoom is the classroom. Discord is, let's say, the building, the class building where you hang out and everything. It's the campus. Let's just say campus. Twitter is then the city, which is you're doing all of this here, but बाद में bro हम बाहर जाएंगे, भेल खाएंगे, we go out in the city, and then we still talk about work, or we talk about what's happening, but we go to the hostels and all that and we talk. So Twitter becomes the city then, and that is a very interesting. And then of course you have communities like for people who don't know, Bro is a Discord as well. However, it's a private Discord. I won't reveal exactly how you get an invite. With Avalon, with 10K designers, which also has an open community, those are almost like these apartment complexes where people who are interested are now, in that community. What do you think about these kind of metaphors?
Yeah, I think it's. I mean, I've used the idea of digital city a lot. Like, I feel like, see, we had a digital university on our Discord. Technically, 10K also has a digital university. What happens when you have many universities in one place? It's a city, right? You're basically zooming out. You're like, hey, I can go to RV College, or I can go to BMS College, or I can go to Manipal. I mean, no, not Manipal, RV and BMS. They're two big colleges in Bangalore. So it's like zooming out, right? So that's what we're doing now. We're zooming out and we're allowing as many universities as necessary. So that even our blind spots, like if somebody wants to learn about mechanical engineering and there's a community about mechanical engineering, who are we to leave those out?
Yeah.
Right. So that's why we're zooming out, building the platform layer for those sort of communities.
Got it. Tell me more, bro.
But I feel like eventually, the end goal, right? The end state, and I'm not talking about like making money or like building a business or whatever. The end state of this is having a real city, right? You have a real city. You have 10K designers down the street, and I think we spoke about this once, right? Like a long time ago. I think I remember calling and I'm like, to just have like your sessions in an apartment or like have people move into the apartment. That's exactly what Avalon's doing right now. Right? We're actually moving people into apartment and making them work. So I feel like that ecosystem in the physical world will be epic someday, right? Because there you can actually go eat bhel, right? Digitally you can't eat bhel.
Yeah.
So I feel like
I mean, till then we've got a bhel break on stream. So of course we can eat bhel on these streams. We have 1 minute left. Varun, a quick outro from you, and then we'll wrap this up when the timer is down. Yeah,
Yeah.
very quick, very quick. I need to give my outro also, so that's why.
So see, in life, things are about two things. The first one is you have to respect your teachers. The second one is you have to respect your books. And the third one is you have to respect LinkedIn.